This is Science Week 32, Day 3, and this is your assessment, and fairly straightforward today. So the example that they're giving you here is a student in your class looks up in the night sky in March and sees this constellation. So they're showing you a picture of that constellation. And then she looks up in the night sky in September and sees this constellation. So your job is to explain to her why it seems like the stars in the night sky change over the course of the year. So what it's asking you to identify is, do the stars actually change? Or what actually is happening so that it appears that the stars are changing? So as always, you look on the next page, there is a rubric. And for a 4, you can explain why the stars look different, and you can support your explanation with reasoning about the Earth's orbit. And you can add details or other examples of stars that we can see at different times of the year to further support my explanation. As always, remember that you can go back and look at your other days of science if you need to review, so that you can answer this question fully and get a good grade on it and do a good job. All right, have a great day.